Let me show you how easy it is to generate a 3x3 grid for product marketing campaigns. So let me show you a couple examples of what a 3x3 grid marketing campaign looks like. These are often used for either brainstorming ideas for marketing campaigns or for pieces of images for storyboarding. So here is one of a running shoe, and this might be relevant for this time of year. Here we are in early January, where people are thinking about New Year's resolutions to get more exercise. So here is showing a running shoe, and I'll show you the prompt and why it's generating these specific styles of images. Here's another one for eating more healthy, using like a blender and showing stylized images of this blender. Notice how it has similar styles of these 9 images as the first one. Or something like this is for like a pour over coffee carafe, and again similar styles. So let me show you how this looks like. You can see that this is a really simple MindStudio agent where the user uploads the image, the base image of their product, to generate these images. And now this is using Nano Banana Pro, or in its more technical term, Gemini 3 Pro image. And based on that image, it is creating that 3x3 grid. And you can now see how these are the specific images it is to generate in that 3x3 grid. The first one is an iconic hero of that image, an extreme macro detailed view, a dynamic liquid or particle interaction using for that image, minimal sculpture arrangements, floating element composition, sensory close-up emphasizing tactility and realism, colors, color-driven conceptual image, an ingredient or component abstraction, and a surreal, elegant fusion of the scene combining realism with imagination. And as you can see, these are very useful for like brainstorming marketing campaigns, or cropping any one of these images and then generating other images based on it. So let me show you how this works in action. So this is a custom user interface that is designed natively in MindStudio and allows the user to upload an image. And now let me do one that I've not demoed here for you before yet. Of course, I love to incorporate cats into my product demos. And here we have an image of like cat food that would hopefully persuade cat owners to buy this cat food for their pets. Now it will generate a 3x3 grid of this image. Now this is a generate asset block that uses a custom user interface, also designed natively in MindStudio, so that the user can browse at, these 9 images designed from Nano Banana based on this prompt. And of course, the cool thing about MindStudio is that you can revise these prompts for your specific use case. So this is one that I designed just for this demo, but you can design that prompt any way that you want. And one thing you'll see is that I will provide the MindStudio Remix URL so that you can make a copy of this and customize it for your own needs. And I'll provide that Remix URL in the comments once I post this onto LinkedIn. Another thing that you can do is make this full screen, and then I can zoom in and pan around the image so I can get a better look. One thing that's cool about Nano Banana Pro is it can generate 4K images. So these are really nice high resolution images. I love this conceptual image here. And so then if I really like this, I can download this and then use it with my marketing team, or use it as a base to generate other specific images based on any one of these components. So I hope that you found this video and how to design this helpful. Thank you for watching.